They're not easy to find. I won't ask
So these are our students of architecture, faculty.
Yes.
Here we have a part of the old European organisms that are also living.
How many of these bite?
Yes, I don't really know.
The big ones usually are the ones that... Highly fat, are they?
Well, our country is
Second year. First year. Yes. Well done. Well done. Well done on a little bit of pressure there. Very good. Brilliant. Hello there. Hello. Good morning.
For example, if the temperature is low, it will automatically send a signal to the nearest focus station. So after that, the focus station can forward that signal to other trucks with the illuminator. So instead, this is a photo sensor, and another country, if he doesn't know where to go, he can select. For example, if he wants to go to a certain city, he will press button B, and the green LEDs will illuminate, showing him the road.
Yes.
What was the doing?
Thank you. Very good. Excellent. I'm going to pass that on. This is something that you can slip into your pocket. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now, this doesn't sound like a Philharmonic orchestra. This is a little different.
It's a bit jazzy.
Yeah.